Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. If you are new to my channel, I make videos about Poshmark and I do hauls and some other stuff. But a lot of my videos are about Poshmark and teaching people how to sell using the Poshmark app. I have been selling on Poshmark since 2014, so about 5 years now. I was a closet consultant at Poshmark's annual conference. It's called PoshFest. This past year they had it in Dallas, which was an absolute blast, getting to sit down with people one-on-one and help them with their closets and their businesses. It was just an amazing time. Today, in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 productivity hacks to help you make more sales, to be more productive, and to make more money. So I wanted to share these with you guys in hopes that it will help you to kind of give your Posh closet just a little boost as we are going into the spring and summer months, which is usually right around this time. Sales will start to pick up just because people are getting their tax refunds back and people are shopping more because the seasons are kind of changing. The snow is melting. People want clothes for their vacations. They want new outfits. They want summer outfits, clothes for warm weather. So I want to talk today on 3 productivity hacks that are going to help you kind of going into this transition into a new season, but that can also help you anytime you feel like your closet is in a slump. Before we get started, I want to thank everyone who picked up my ebook bundle from my video last night. If you missed my video last night, I will link it down below and put it at the end of this video so that you can go and check it out. But you can get my ebook bundle down below in the description box for those of you asking about it. It does come with a free closet review. I will go through your closet and, you know, go through things that maybe you need to fix, that you can kind of revise and go over and help you to establish like a routine for your Poshmark business. The bundle includes my sourcing guide, which is going to help you prioritize what you need to be buying at the thrift store. That's going to give you sort of the highest return, the highest profit margins. It also includes my Goodwill Outlet guide and what I try to look for when I'm shopping there, as well as like tips and strategies on shopping there. Usually at the Goodwill Outlet, I try to pick up what I call filler items. Those are items that don't sell for as high of a profit, but will sell consistently. It also includes my top 25 Instagram marketing tips. It includes my guide to pricing, closet clear out, and offer to likers. That has a lot of strategy in it, mainly in terms of pricing your items and valuing your items, and, you know, using closet clear out and offer to likers to make sales. And then it includes a little mini guide of the top 10 jeans brands that I pick up to list on Poshmark. Jeans are an item that will really sell year round for you. So that's going to be my top 10 brands that I tend to look for and buy. So if you pick that up down below, I am including a free closet review with that. And I'm also including a membership to my private share group. Just whenever you get the bundle, just email me with either your name that you used to purchase it or your confirmation or something, and I can send you the link to join the group. That's just the easiest way that I can kind of like keep track of it. So that is all in the description box below. Again, thank you to everyone who picked it up yesterday. I am working on the closet reviews. I do have several of them. I was out sick for a couple of days last week, so I'm just trying to get kind of caught up on everything. I'm trying to get caught up on my videos, my listing, just everything. I'm very prone to stomach ulcers, so I was kind of miserable for a few days last week and was trying to work and couldn't really get anything done, and so I'm a little bit behind, but I am working to get caught up, trying to make videos for you guys and content and all that good stuff. So just bear with me. I will get to everyone. You will be in the share group immediately. You will have your ebooks immediately. Just give me, you know, a day or two to kind of get caught up and get everybody's closet reviews back to them. Someone asked me how long that will be good for. I will leave it open as long as I can. If it gets to be too much for the closet reviews and what I can do in a reasonable amount of time, I will put a note in the description box and let you guys know. So I will leave it open as long as I can, but I cannot make any guarantees, so they are first come, first serve. Pick it up down below. Everything is in the description box, and I thank you guys so much, and I'm gonna go straight into the video. So your first productivity hack to boost your sales on Poshmark is going to have to deal with cutting out distractions. And so my first tip to you is to have a time during the day when you turn off social media, where you get away from social media. And social media is a great tool in terms of being able to use it to communicate with people and to teach people. I love that aspect of it. But in terms of being productive and working, social media is a complete black hole. So it is my advice to you to pick a time and say, okay, I'm not getting on Facebook, I'm not getting on Instagram. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna work. So, you know, do what you have to do. Delete the apps off your phone. Put them into a new folder. You know, get rid of them. Just put them somewhere where you cannot just, you know, aimlessly pick up your phone and be like all over Facebook, okay? So log out of your Facebook. Log out of your Facebook app. Log out of Instagram. Make it difficult for you to get into these apps. Like, don't pick up these apps every 5 seconds. Don't check your email every 5 seconds. You know, I used to have a huge problem with this because I worked for a nonprofit, and I was very part-time working for them. And they knew that my email came to my phone. So they just assumed because my email came to my phone that they had access to me 24/7 when they were only paying me for a set amount of hours a week. So, you know, you have to kind of teach people that you are not available 24/7. And this kind of goes with like texting and things like that too. Like you have to teach people that, you know, you have hours where you have to kind of be away from your phone. Now I know Poshmark is on your phone, so like you have to be using your phone to take pictures and to like list stuff on the app, but you can like distance yourself from your email and your social media apps. You know, just be on Poshmark, just be on the camera. You know, put it on do not disturb mode if you have to, like to where you're not getting notifications, to where you can focus on your work. So you need to cut out social media. You need to cut out anything that is going to be distracting you from your work. So my second tip for you guys is to batch photograph your inventory. So if you are someone who is not able to have set time every day where you can work on Poshmark and work on listing stuff, instead of trying to, you know, photograph stuff every single day, you're gonna pick a lump of items. Like you're gonna pick like a good bit of items. You know, just a pile of them, as many as you can. Like don't overwhelm yourself, but photograph as many as you can at one time and measure them so that you have that information with you and in your phone and ready to go. Like, so that you don't have to stop every single day and take pictures of stuff and measure stuff. If you already have those listings in your phone ready to go, you're gonna be listing every day. Like you're gonna be listing constantly every single day. So, you know, take those things, photograph them, write the measurements down or save them in like a notepad in your phone, and you'll be good to go for the week. And that way you're gonna be listing more, and that is gonna help you to actually sell more. This is probably one of the biggest things that I work with when I do closet reviews. Is helping people like with their routines and fitting Poshmark into their life. So you have to be able to kind of figure out when you have time for Poshmark. And if you have these things in your phone ready to go, you are that much more likely to list and to make sales. Okay, so my third and final tip for you guys in terms of being more productive kind of goes along with what I was just talking about, but that is to set work hours. And this is going to differ just depending on if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you have a job, if you are in school. It's just gonna depend on what your schedule is of other things that you have to do. So, you know, you need to set hours for listing. You need to find time in your schedule where you have time to list items. So, you know, go through your schedule and figure out that time. Figure out when you have a few hours that you can photograph and measure things to have ready to list. And then you also need to set aside time for sharing. So sharing is very important. Sharing your own closet is very important, and sharing other people's listings is very important in terms of keeping your closet active and favoring Poshmark's algorithm. So this is really why I implemented my share group, because it is a great way to kind of interact with other Poshers, and it gives you kind of like a set routine every day to where you are sharing and they're sharing your items and you're promoting each other. And it really, really helps you with your routine. And it also helps you with accountability. So the share group is also included if you buy my bundle below to get your free closet review. Just email me that you bought the bundle. I'll put the email down there as well, and I will send you the link to join the group. So that is, I'm including that as a bonus for my YouTube viewers if you buy my ebook bundle below. So all that information is down in the description box if that was confusing. I'm sorry. So yeah, you want to set work hours to where either you're treating this like a full-time job or you're treating this as a side hustle. But you have to set work hours and you have to stick to those so that you will have items to list during the week, and so that you're keeping your closet active and you're sharing your items, and all of this goes hand in hand. And if you're not doing these things, then you're not going to make any sales. So, you know, you have to be listing, you have to be sharing, you have to be doing these things every single day, especially if you want to do this full time. Like when I'm not listing, like since I've been moving and I had to take all my listings down, like obviously my sales went down. So you have to like get back into your routine, and I know that's so hard to do, but you have to get back into your routine. You have to list stuff, you have to share stuff, and you have to implement all of these things to keep your business going every single day. So that is my video for today. I hope it helps someone. I hope it will help you be more productive. I hope it will help you in terms of setting some consistency for your business, which is going to help you make more sales and make more money. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I do hope that you will subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.